Hi friends, welcome to Karishma's Recipe Cookbook. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken nuggets. 1 cup of small pieces of chicken, 1/4 cup jalapeno juice, and mix it. Now I'm adding 1 spoon ginger paste, 1 spoon garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, and 1 spoon grated onion. And salt to taste. One teaspoon of red chili powder, and mix it well all together. Let it sit for 10 minutes to marinate. Now I'm taking 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and salt to taste. Mix the ingredients together. Now I'm taking 1.5 cup of milk, two eggs, mix in the milk, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and mix well. Now I'm taking seasoning flour and I'm adding now marinated chicken. we doing same step 2 times. Now I'm taking a milk mixture and the floured chicken. I'm adding in the mixture very gently. Now I'm doing the second step. Now I'm adding all the chicken pieces in the seasoned flour. You can see is look really nice, is marinated, and plus seasoned flour look thicker on the chicken slices. Now we're gonna put in the deep fry pan single pieces of chicken. Make sure your flame on a medium. Make sure your oil is not hot too much. And let's deep fry it around 6 to 7 minutes. And gently flip it all the chicken nuggets. You can see it's frying now. It looks so good. It's getting slowly golden brownish. So if you put your flame on the medium and cook very slowly, our oil supposed to not get too much hot, so our chicken get cooked very well from inside. It doesn't burn from the outside. So layered it looks so crispy and well. And you can see now our chicken nuggets are getting ready. You can see our chicken nugget looks so cooked well and it looks so tender. Now the chicken nuggets are ready to serve. Now I'm taking a paper towel and I'm putting the chicken nuggets on so it will absorb the oil. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.